Hi, I'm Emily Zilli, and here are my strengths as an educator. I find that I'm willing to try new things in the classroom through playlists and various EdTech tools. I also find that I regularly gather feedback from students to adjust my instructional options for the students. Here's an example of a playlist, and throughout the playlist you can see that there are various EdTech tools incorporated. So Quizlet would be one here for vocabulary. GoFormative is used here for practicing balancing equations. I also have, before students take any kind of summative assessment, they go through and they take a Google form, which is considered a practice quiz, and they get automatic feedback to see how they're doing before they proceed to the summative assessment. Upon finishing the summative assessment, they'll do this feedback for me in a Google form so I can understand how they're learning and what they need more from me. In this particular playlist, I use Actively Learn for the first time to incorporate real-life scenarios of chemical reactions into an article for the students. From there, I take the feedback from the students, and here's examples of what I get from them. I find out what they like about different things we've used, so in this case we had just used Actively Learn, and I'm able to understand better about how they're learning, what they need from me, and what they think they need in order to be successful. This happens after every summative assessment. Finally, things that I'd like to continue developing is working on turning my students into self-directed learners, and also figure out a way to edit down all of the various EdTech tool options out there into those that are most beneficial for my students. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to hearing from you soon.